By the end of this video, I will have shown you how to use Python to access the Intelligent Plant Industrial App Store API and trained a neural network on sample data. This Jupyter Notebook has been set up to log you in to your App Store account. Now we can query the App Store API. Here are some example queries for App Store user info. We can also search for all available data sources. We can search IP data source 2 for all of its available tags. We'll use the first tag in the data source as an example. We can now query the data source for the tag over the past 30 days. Our Python library provides a utility function that converts the tag query result into a pandas data frame. We can use matplotlib to easily plot the contents of the data frame. Similarly, we can do a query for multiple tags simultaneously. All of the results can be put into a data frame and plotted. Finally, we can perform a snapshot request to get the current value of the tag. Now that we've seen how to make data queries, we can apply some data processing. We can query the data source to get some example data and put it in a data frame. Now we can easily normalize the data frame. As an example, we'll use sklearn to train a simple neural network to predict one of the tags. The normalized data is divided into training and test data. We can use this data to train the neural net. Once the neural net has been trained, we can get it to predict the output values for the test data. We can create a data frame from the actual unseen output and the predicted output and plot the results. A variety of different data processing and machine learning frameworks can be used to analyze the contents of your data frames. If you're interested in learning more, please contact us at info@intelligentplant.com.